Hey guys, how's it going? Nate here, welcome to the tool shed. This is how to replace the string on your Makita 40 volt GRU01 string trimmer. And this is the 96-M10L head. So what you're going to do, let's say you just ran out of string. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take this little black cap on top here and just holding the head in place, you're going to click it over until it lines up with this arrow. See the arrow on the smaller cap lines up with the arrow on the larger cap. Now that you've done that, you're going to go ahead and find the metal opening here where it says line in. You can see it says line in right there. And you're going to look in that hole and you're going to see the plastic head, and the plastic head has a flange right in the middle of it. You're going to take your newly cut string. You can cut up to 13 feet. That's what it says. However, this is just a small piece to show you guys how to do this. You can take your newly cut line, find the end of it, and you're going to take it and you're going to insert it in that metal hole above the plastic flange and follow the top of the head all the way around, kind of the direction of the arrow. And what that'll do is that'll shoot it right out the other side for you. Once you do that, you just pull the string so that both sides are even while you're kind of holding it in place. And then you're going to start ratcheting your head clockwise until all the string is inside the head and ready to go. Guidelines are, looks like about 3.5 to 4 inches left on. Just going to keep going there. And there you go. You're ready to go. These are a little long, but that's just to show you. So that's all I got for you for this video. If this helped you out at all, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.